Non-ideal solution, those solutions which do not obey Raoult's law. Non-spontaneous process, it is the reverse of the spontaneous process. It does not take place on its own and does not occur in nature. Orbit. An orbit is a definite path at a definite distance from the nucleus in which the electron revolves around the nucleus. Actually, an orbit indicates an exact position or location of an electron in an atom. Orbital. A region around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum. S, P, D and F are different types of orbitals which exist in an atom. Order of reaction. It is the sum of the exponents of the concentration terms in the rate expression of a chemical reaction. Oxidation number. It is the apparent charge on an atom of an element in a compound or a radical.